Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Rainbowart. You are watching Rainbowart. Today we are going to learn how we can make a rainbow 3D paper origami. This is very beautiful. You can make it very easily. You can just go through to my tutorial and this will be simple for you. Please subscribe my channel and do share to your friends. Let's start. Take a square paper of 15 centimeter versus 15 centimeter and now just fold like this. You have to fold along the middle side. Done. Just unfold it. Now take this portion and just fold just like this. Okay, done. And just rotate it and do the same thing here. Okay, done. Now take this portion and you have to fold along middle side. Just like this. You don't need to fold total, just fold one part, unfold it and rotate and do the same thing here. Yes, done. Then unfold it. Okay, now what you have to do, just take this part and you have to fold along this point and you have to match this point along this line. Just do this. Okay, done. Now you have to fold along this line just like this. Okay, now you have to fold this one and you have to match along this line. Done. Now you have to take this one and match along this line just like this. Okay, done. And do the same here. Take this portion and match along this line just like this. Yes, done. And fold this portion. Okay, done. And then take this portion and just fold like this and take this portion, match along this line and then just fold. Okay, done. Now let's see what happened. Okay, now you have to take this portion and unfold it and you have to fold this portion oppositely just like this and you have to put this portion into the down section. Yes, this is done. Now you have to put this portion into this pocket. Okay, done. And do the same here. Just unfold this portion and fold oppositely put this portion into this pocket. Done. Let's see what happened. Yes, now you have to fold this portion oppositely, just like this, and this one also oppositely, and do the same here. Done. Let's see what happened. Okay, now take this portion and hold like this, and you have to fold along this line, and then you have to match these 2 points just like this. Okay, done. And do the same here. Just take this point and hold like this, and then you have to fold. Yes, done. I have just, you have to make total 7 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, now let's assemble them. Take 2 units. Let's see how we can assemble them. Just hold like this, and then put this portion into this pocket. Just like this. Yes. Done. Then go to the opposite side and take this one and put into this pocket. Okay, done. Take another one and do the same. Just put this portion into this pocket, just like this. Yes, done. And here you have to do the same thing. Yes, done. Just same manner you have to put total 7 units. So how is it? Is it not beautiful? Just try to make it. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. And please subscribe my channel, do share to your friends. Thank you for your love. Keep supporting me. Stay blessed. Thank you.